Well, hello there. This is Craig Hain, Dr. Craig Hain. My students call me Dr. Dell. And this is a video message for the leaders of middle and high schools in this country, particularly that may have some students that are struggling with mathematics and dropping out of school. And it's all about a practical math program. I call it Special Math Education. It's a very practical math program. And I have for you 4 questions. But before I ask those questions, I have 3 facts I want to share with you. First of all, today, now in this 21st century, thanks to some brand new wonderful technologies, if you have a student that's failing in what I would call your standard math program that you're teaching, it's now possible for you to put this student into a very different practical math program that 90% of your students are going to enjoy and succeed in rather than failing. And when that happens, then of course they won't drop out of school. A lot of students today I know are struggling with math and they're discouraged and it leads them to dropping out. Now, furthermore, this practical math program is going to prepare your students for a wonderful career in either the military or some industrial technical career. And it's just a phenomenal program. In fact, when they get done with it, they're going to know more math than 95% of the adults in the United States. And furthermore, this practical math program, thanks to modern technologies that you'll learn all about, is very cost effective compared to any other standard math programs that you might be teaching. Now, these are the facts that you need to digest, and this PDF will be available to you that I'm following here, so you can pass that around and think about it, and you don't need to take notes clearly. And now I have 4 questions for you. If you could prevent a student from dropping out of school, what would that be worth to your school financially speaking? And I think I know the answer to that. It's worth many thousands of dollars that the state would be paying your school if the student didn't drop out. But that's the question. Now, what would a practical math program I'm telling you about be worth to your school on a per student basis for the ones that succeeded if that practical math program kept the student enrolled successfully in your school? What would it be worth financially to you? Another question I think is even more important to me, at least, how much would a student's life be improved if the student can succeed thanks to this practical math program where otherwise they wouldn't have succeeded and maybe even dropped out of school? These are 3 very important questions. And of course, the final question is, would a practical math program like I'm describing to you and can prove to you works, would that be of interest to your school? That's really the question for you. Now, if the answer to question number 4 is yes, that would be of some interest to you. And by the way, I have to prove everything I'm telling you, and I can easily do that. Then I'd invite you to contact me. I have a website, craighain.com is my personal website. I've also got a longer 20-minute video I did. It's on YouTube that you can watch that describes this in somewhat more detail. So you can download this PDF and click on it and go there. Or you can go to my homepage, which is at craighain.com. And there's a lot of information there. You can learn all about me. Who am I? I have a PhD in mathematics. I've taught math at really all levels, from 7th grade all the way through graduate school. And I love teaching and helping young students that are failing at math succeed at math. And that's why we've created this practical math program. It's unlike anything that's out there. You've never seen anything like it. My contact information is here. You may call me by phone, set up a Zoom meeting more than likely, or set up some kind of a meeting, or you can email me, craig@hain.com, and I'll be delighted to talk to you. And as I said, this PDF that I just had will be available to you. So I invite you then to contact me if you're interested at all, and we will be able to go ahead and meet and get together and talk and possibly help an awful lot of students in your school, and of course help your school as well. So this is Craig Hain. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.